Hello, welcome to Blessings Aroma and Beauty. And in today's video, your girl, I am gonna be making this delicious and quick noodles. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Super quick and delicious. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to watch my new videos. Thank you. And also is the kids' favorite. So let's get started. So I'm gonna add some oil to the pot, and then I'll just go ahead and add the blended tomatoes and onion and also habanero pepper. When I'm done, I'm just gonna add the spices. Please add any spices of your choice. You are so good to go. And now that I am done adding the spices, I'm gonna stir it, and then after that I'll just allow you to cook for a few minutes. Yes. So now the sauce is ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add blended canned beans, green beans. Yes, I used 2 tins for this, and trust me, it is so good. This is how you want your kids to eat the veggies that they don't wanna, eat when they see it. So what I have noticed is after using the canned beans to do this recipe, they really love the noodles. So I recommend you, if your kids don't like to eat the veggies the way they see it, please try and blend it and use it for something like this. I'm sure they will love it. Thank you. So now I'm just gonna add my cooked noodle to the sauce and then give a stir, and I'll allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then after that is done. Yes, it's just simple, super quick, and it is really good. And trust me, this is super good. You're gonna love it. For the topping, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some parsley. Yep. And also some scallion or green onion for the topping. That is pretty much about it. We are so done, okay? We are so done, and it's ready to serve. And ta-da, look at that, with some fried egg and also fried plantain. You are so good to go. This is so delicious, tasty, and also healthy, because the beans and everything is just wow. You cannot go wrong with it, and the kids also love it. So I recommend you try this recipe. Thank you all for your love and support. This right here, please let me hear from you, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also turn on the notification button for my new videos. Thank you all for your love and support. I can't wait to see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.